do question 4, right? What does question 4 say now? Question 4 says, let A be the set of positive integers greater than 10. Okay, so I'm going to use set builder notation here to say A is equal to an element. A is represented by x values, and these x values are elements of the z plus. Okay, they are all positive integers, such that you can now say that x is greater than 10, and you can say x is odd. Okay, these are the things in A. Did it say odd? No, just positive integers. Okay, so x should be greater than 10, and we are done, right? So it's positive integers, and x should be, yeah, greater than 10. All right, now the universal set. So universal set is equal to all positive integers. Okay, it's equal to all positive integers, and we are done. Okay, and remember that A is a proper subset of U. So now, what is going to be A prime? A prime means something which is outside of A. Okay, so the universal set means the set with everything. It should be positive integers, but A, the positive integers should be greater than 10. So where do the positive integers start? They start at 1. Okay, 0 is neutral, so positive integers start at 1. So that means A prime is going to have 1, because the A prime means not of A. A is the positive integers greater than 10. A prime means not that, but they should be part of the universal set. Universal set is positive integers. So in other words, we want positive integers less than 10, which is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this is going to be our A prime. You understand? Why is it A prime? It is not of A. And A was what? Was numbers greater than 10. So here it's going to be integers less than. You understand? Good. So, and I'm sure you can include 10 itself as well. Okay? And this is going to be the end of it all. And then now we can do question 3. This one wasn't hard, was it? Either way, let's go to question 3 and see how it went. All right, goodbye. Bye.